Titles start with a clear and concise title that reflects the main focus of your research. Avoid vague or overly complex wording and ensure it immediately conveys the essence of your study. 2. Introduction. Write a brief introduction that provides some background information on your research area. Explain the relevance and importance of your topic. Keep it short and engaging to capture the reader's interest. 3. Problem statement. Clearly describe the problem your research will address. Identify the gap in existing knowledge or the issue that needs a solution. Explain why this problem is significant and worth investigating. 4. Objectives. List the main objectives of your research. Use specific, action-oriented language such as analyze, investigate, or examine. These objectives should outline what you aim to achieve with your study. 5. Methodology. Describe the methodology you will use to conduct your research. Specify whether you will use qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, and explain why these methods are appropriate for your study. Outline your data collection and analysis techniques. 6. Scope and limitations. Define the scope of your research by explaining what your study will and will not cover. Mention any limitations you may face, such as time constraints, data access, or other challenges, and how you plan to address them. 7. Significance of the study. Explain the significance of your research. Describe how your study will contribute to the existing body of knowledge, solve practical problems, or open new avenues for future research. Highlight the potential impact of your work. Closing. Summarize the key points of your synopsis and ensure that each section flows logically into the next. Remember to be clear, concise, and structured in your writing to make a compelling case for your research.